Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best EZ Pass Transponder is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any frequent driver navigating toll roads, offering a seamless and efficient way to bypass traditional toll booths, saving precious time and reducing the stress often associated with toll payments, making your daily commute or road trip significantly smoother and more convenient. Number 5. EZ Pass iPass Toll Tag Mounting Kit. Introducing a reliable mounting kit designed specifically for your toll pass. It ensures a secure and stable attachment for your device. Featuring strong, interlocking mushroom-shaped heads, these strips provide a secure connection that snaps into place. Enjoy a long-lasting bond with high-performance adhesive. Installation is a breeze with our EZ Peel and Stick application. These durable strips are designed for a hassle-free experience. Built to withstand the elements, they are water and temperature resistant up to 200 degrees. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use on various surfaces. Outperforming common double-sided tapes, these strips offer a dependable hold. They won't shake, rattle, or fall off, ensuring your device stays put. This kit includes everything you need, with 8 adhesive strips and an alcohol prep pad for optimal surface cleaning. Get a secure mount every time. What we like. If you need a secure and long-lasting hold for your toll tag, this is a great option. Its strong interlocking strips and resistance to water and temperature make it ideal for various conditions. If you prefer a peel and stick solution that won't budge, this is the one for you. What people say. The transponder is easy to install and set up. It works reliably on toll roads without any issues. The compact design makes it unobtrusive in the car. Number 4. EZ Pass Holder for Windshield. Never worry about your toll pass not fitting. This holder is designed to work with all major toll passes, ensuring you can travel smoothly across the country. Protect your toll pass from the elements. Its UV-resistant design ensures it stays safe and functional, even under intense sunlight and harsh weather. Enjoy an uninterrupted journey. This holder is engineered to ensure your toll tag is always read correctly, so you never miss a beat at the toll booth. Mounting is a breeze with our durable suction cups and included adhesive strips. They provide a firm hold in any condition and allow for easy, tool-free removal. From scorching heat to freezing cold, this holder performs. Its robust design ensures your toll pass stays securely in place, no matter the weather. Travel with confidence anywhere in the U.S. This holder is compatible with toll systems in numerous states, making it your perfect travel companion. What we like. For those who travel across multiple states or use different toll systems, this holder is a fantastic choice. It's designed to fit a wide range of toll passes and offers UV protection to keep your device safe. If you value versatility and reliable suction cup mounting, this is the holder you should consider. What people say. The EZ Pass Transponder is a reliable device for toll collection. It is easy to install and set up, making toll payments hassle-free. The transponder works seamlessly with toll systems, ensuring quick passage through toll booths. Number 3. NuBliss EZ Pass Holder for Windshield. Tired of toll pass holders that fall off? Ours features 3 heavy-duty suction cups, ensuring a rock-solid grip that stays put, no matter the road conditions or weather. Forget sticky adhesives and messy tapes. Installation is a breeze. Just clean your windshield, slide in your transponder, and press to attach. Enjoy a clear view with no residue. Designed to fit popular toll passes like EZ Pass Mini and iPass, it works across many states. It's the perfect companion for your commute and travels. Need to switch cars? Moving your toll tag is simple. Just detach and reapply the holder in seconds, making it ideal for shared vehicles or rentals. Built with robust materials, this holder is resistant to extreme heat, UV rays, and water. It's designed to protect your transponder through every season. What we like. If you're looking for a super secure mount that's incredibly easy to install and remove, this is it. The 3 heavy-duty suction cups provide a rock-solid grip, and you can transfer it between cars in seconds. This is perfect for families with multiple vehicles or those who frequently rent cars. What people say. The EZ Pass Transponder is a reliable device for toll collection. It is easy to install and set up. The transponder works seamlessly with toll systems. Number 2. EZ Skin Bundle. Tired of your EZ Pass being an eyesore? Our bundle offers a sleek, full-wrap silicone skin designed to blend seamlessly with your car's interior. It provides a clean and discreet look, both inside and outside your windshield. This bundle includes our best-selling silicone skin, offering premium protection and a sophisticated finish. It's designed to perfectly fit your EZ Pass, ensuring a snug and secure fit. We've also included a stick-on silicone pad to cover the back, further enhancing the discreet appearance. Together, these components create a unified and stylish look for your device. The set comes with stronger interlocking black strips, utilizing genuine 3M adhesive. This ensures a reliable and long-lasting hold, keeping your device securely in place. It's specifically designed to fit the common wedge-shaped EZ Pass Mini and iPass models. Please verify the measurements and photos to ensure compatibility with your specific device. Installation is simple, allowing you to achieve ultimate discretion in minutes. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized car interior with this essential accessory. What we like. If you want your toll transponder to blend in and look less conspicuous, this bundle is for you. It offers a full-wrap silicone skin for a discreet appearance both inside and outside your windshield. If a sleek, integrated look is important to you, this is the product to get. What people say. The transponder is easy to install and set up. It works reliably on toll roads without any issues. The compact design makes it unobtrusive on the windshield. Number 1. Zeyitian EZ Pass Holder for Windshield. Introducing the Zeyitian EZ Pass Holder, designed for a precise fit with your Mini or iPass transponder. It offers a simple and secure way to mount your device on the windshield. Need to switch vehicles? This holder makes transferring your toll pass between cars a breeze. It's perfect for rentals, road trips, or if you change cars often. Our super strong suction cups ensure the holder stays firmly in place on your windshield. You get a reliable hold without any sticky residue left behind. Crafted from premium ABS plastic and strong TPU, this holder is built for longevity. Its eco-friendly materials make it a sustainable choice for your commuting needs. Keep your toll pass safe from the elements. This holder is waterproof and UV resistant, protecting it from water damage and fading, ensuring it works in any weather. Installation is a snap. Just place your transponder in the holder and attach it to your windshield with the suction cups. No tools or adhesives needed, just secure mounting. We're here to help. If you have any questions about your toll pass holder, our customer support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours for a worry-free experience. What we like. For owners of the EZ Pass Mini or iPass, this holder offers a precise fit and a mess-free transfer experience between vehicles. Its durable and eco-friendly construction ensures longevity. If you prioritize a clean look without sticky residue and easy portability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The EZ Pass Transponder is a compact and lightweight device that easily attaches to the windshield. It works seamlessly with toll systems, allowing for quick and hassle-free passage through toll booths. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several years before needing replacement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.